Okay, so Chris here says that he's master Rubik's Cube fixer or whatever you So, messed it up for him. So, now he's trying to put it back together. See how quick he can do it. Is this what you guys do at work? This is what we do all day. Yep.
That's Ina.
Can you really do that?
Say hi, Ina.
He's really doing it.
What's up, guys? It's Ina.
It's Regina.
If you do that, I'll give you $5.
Alright, well,
No, he's doing it, yeah.
I'll give you $5.
Quarters.
Roughly, I'm fixing up, bro.
Here you go, yeah. Wait, you're trying to do that, right? Come on.
Oh, no.
Better like this.
Cuban.
Oh, Cuban. What kind of pieces are Oh, I pieces back together? Yeah, right. Yeah, right. It's been about 3 minutes, just so you know.
How long does it usually take you?
We're not talking about me.
Still going?
Still going. Look at that. 4 minutes later.
4 minutes later.
I think she breaks
Still takes me like I've never done it.
Yeah. Right. That's my.
So, actually, I did do it the other day at my mom's house. She had one for my nephew. I took it apart and put it
literally.
back together.
Oh,
Literally
wow.
took it apart.
Wow, that's impressive.
And it took me about 20 minutes to do that.
Hey.
But hey, I figured it out.
That's right. That's all